Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is my channel and I will be posting a lot of content very soon, but this is gonna be my first video. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get straight to it. I will be making a lot of videos of me creating this game at first and making different pixels and making an amazing game that you guys can play. So this game is a survival game where there will be NPCs spawning around the map that you can kill, and as you can see, they will follow you and join you to help you kill other NPCs that they find. I will be making the ones that you revive weaker so that it's more fair. And there will also be a limit on how many NPCs you can get before it stops putting them into your party. As you guys can see, I only have 3 right now. I haven't really gotten to fixing that part on the maximum amount because scripting is a lot harder than I thought. But you know, I will be doing my best to make an amazing game for you guys. There will be a lot of characters that you can spawn and help you beat the game, and you will be also fighting other players with your armies. I'll be trying my best to make all of this happen. I really hope that you guys enjoy the videos and give me support in making them so I can know that you guys are enjoying these. I don't know if I already said this, but some of the problems that I'm facing in becoming a developer and making this game, as you guys can see, is map making. Because scripting is, for me, a lot easier than map making. Right now, the map is very blank. But I'll be trying my best to fix all of these problems for you guys to be able to enjoy this game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and there will be a lot more to come. See you guys next time. Peace out.